In primetime news this evening, government and opposition clash in Parliament over road repairs.
State of Spanish Town Road again in the spotlight.
And St. Anne's Bay mayor readmitted in hospital after being attacked by an intruder. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, Jamaicans are more confident in the economy, but there will be fewer purchases such as buying a house. I'll explain recent data later in the business day.
Thanks, Jizzy. And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Archie. Well, there's some degree of uncertainty surrounding the track and field future of Jamaica's Olympic discus champion, Roger Stoner. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Janella looked at me because she knows Stoner went to St. Jago, so I'm very, very concerned. But we'll hear more about that later on in Primetime Sports.
That is correct, because right now we have a preview of the weather report and forecast, and Romain is here.
Thanks, Janella. Now it's the winds that are the big story this week and for the rest of this week. We do have windy conditions affecting much of the south, and we also have a smoke wrap warning that takes effect for offshore areas of the south coast.
The details later on from Romain. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what's your view on the executive orders signed by U.S. President Donald Trump?
So much to say, so little time. But you have time. You can share your comments online. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica. And you can post on X at tvjnews Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.